Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Man, I'll tell you what, things are popping today. We got Matic back up, starting to come back, 40 cents. But today's winner by far is ETH. Now, I wanted to talk about that. I talked about a little bit earlier how I thought Matic is heavily influenced by ETH. And the reason for that is you have Matic on the ERC20 side, and you have Polygon, which is the layer 2 solution over on QuickSwap. So, like it or not, the Ethereum price is going to have a direct reflection on Polygon. So as ETH continues to pump, I would expect Polygon to pump. But that's my thoughts, not financial advice. All right, let's go over to Aave and talk about this. So I've had a couple people ask me about how to hypercompound on Aave. A couple things. When you're on Aave, you got your Matic over to Polygon on layer 2. You're on the Matic network up here. You got it on your RPC. I've deposited into Aave, okay, and I'm earning yield. Right now, as of yesterday, what is my yield? Today it's actually up to about 38.75. So basically I'm deposited on Aave and I earn Matic over here as WBNB as wMatic, okay? So like if I put that in, you have to add the wMatic. So wMatic is the wrapped version of Matic, okay? So your daily rewards come in as wrapped Matic. So like if I hit claim, there's really doesn't cost anything for a transaction. Okay. Let that confirm. All right, and then do a refresh. See how I have wMatic, and then basically I unwrap that Matic and I hypercompound my rewards back into my Matic pool. So I just take that wrapped Matic, unwrap it, and then I have more for deposit. Okay, and then I could deposit into here. Now, talking about things on my dashboard. I have tried to stay at 30% or lower, okay? So the strategy is to build my Matic bag by depositing Matic, okay? Borrowing stablecoin, buying more Matic, and then once the price, let's say Matic jumps to 60 or 70 cents, I could sell less Matic and pay back my loan. Therefore, I'm leveraging and expanding my bag, okay? So I've got DAI and USDC. The rates can vary. I'm going to go ahead and borrow DAI because it gives me a little better utilization. Well, no. I'm going to borrow USDC because the rates lower. When I first got into this, I didn't realize the rates. I'm not too worried about the rates, but if I had to do it over again, I would have only borrowed USDC because it's cheaper. So I'm going to hit borrow. I'm going to go for this health factor. I think around 2.12-ish, something like that, in that area. I'm going to go ahead and borrow it. Okay, I hit borrow. So the other advantage of hypercompounding your Matic is your rewards increase based on your APY. And honestly, the APYs are pretty darn solid, especially as this appreciates. So if Matic jumps up all of a sudden, you're going to have an APY at like 80 to 100% in essence, okay? So I borrowed that and go back to my dashboard. Get this to refresh. All right, so now you can see my LTV, loan to value, is about 30%. Now, again, don't ape too hard on this because then you won't sleep at night. I want to keep plenty of room for a catastrophic drop in Matic. Okay, so now I have a die bag. So then I go back over to QuickSwap and put in my die bag. Oh wait, no, it was USDC. Okay, USDC, max. Go ahead and swap that out. Make sure your levels are as low as possible, as always. So I'm getting 11,700 Matic. And I go ahead and take that. Now here's the beauty of this. I can actually better my loan to value ratio by redepositing. So I go back over to Aave, I hit on deposit, and I don't, just be careful on your max because you need some gas. So then I redeposit. Okay. Redeposit. All right. And you're like, this is madness. Well, here's the thing. As TVL accelerates and basically the Matic network expands, okay, my primary focus is on the core asset, and that is Matic, okay, because that is, now see how my LTV dropped? So in essence, I've done a loop. Deposit on Aave, borrow stable, go to QuickSwap, buy more Matic, redeposit. Now your question is, how many times can you do that loop? It depends. Technically, I could loop again if I wanted to get close to 30. Let's see. If I borrowed, actually borrow USDC. So I could squeeze out another like 1,500. Go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I'm doing the loop again, okay, because I'm trying to get as close to that 30% LTV as possible. All right. Once again, QuickSwap, building the bag. Okay. And again, I did this same thing on Venus until BNB completely mooned. And then I got into farms and stuff. So the concept is in the early stages of the expansion of the network, you want to get your bag as big as possible so that when all these farms and all this monkey business comes out, you're going to have a nice bag that you can do whatever you want with. All right. So, as the price of Matic increases, I can stack more. Now, another strategy is on the pump, borrow USD or USD, sit on it for a little bit, wait for a dip, and then try to get it even cheaper. But again, with the Ethereum pump, I'm pretty confident about this as far as getting my bag as big as possible in anticipation for DeFi. All right, so I go back over here, 96,000 in collateral, borrowing power 30%, LTV staying below 50, so I could take like a 40% drop before I'd have to worry about anything. So that's it. That is hypercompounding Matic on Aave, and that is kind of what I'm doing. Let's go over to QuickSwap and check out the TVL and see how it's doing today. So not too bad. We've added about 5 million in TVL. So that's great. That's probably due to the price appreciation mainly. And and we'll see as Matic continues to grow and its DeFi evolves. Hope you liked today's video. Like, subscribe, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.